Good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of the Multifamily Minute with Old Capital. James, how do you know how to charge for rent on these properties? How much to charge?
How much to charge for rent? Yeah, so I mean, there's a couple ways. One is, all right, what are people willing to pay for your property, right? So every property is a little different, right? So some properties are going to be like, this one's pretty open, sort of garden style. It's not going to have like a huge workout facility. It's not going to have covered parking or structured parking. It's a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more suburban, right? And so your rent's going to be different than, let's say, an urban Class A deal that where you can walk out your door and go get, a Starbucks or something like that, right? And so what most people do is they'll look at the rent comps and sort of figure out, all right, what's my closest competitor? What are they charging? So let's say on a one bedroom right now in DFW, might be $1,100 to $1,300 in this market, in this submarket. And so we go out at $1,200 and it's leased in a day. Well, we're probably too low then, right? So we might increase it to $1,250 or $1,300. And so what we've seen in DFW in the last, let's say, 6 months is people have really increased rent and there's been no resistance, right? So I increased it, my one bedroom from 1,000 to 1,100, boom, it was leased. 1,200, still leased. 1,300, keeps going. And then what's happening now is, like, this property is 200 units and there's one vacant.
Wow.
And so when you only have one vacant, basically you can put it at a very high price, and until someone comes and leases that, then you can wait.
Keep testing that.
You can keep testing it, keep pushing it. And so when all these properties, like, I think the overall occupancy in the nation right now is like 97% occupancy. So there's really not that much vacancy in the market, and it's going to take a while. I mean, Dallas is going to build a lot of apartments this year, but all those new apartments are getting absorbed so fast. And so that's why rents just keep going up right now.